How can I block someone on WhatsApp without them knowing?
Welcome to this video guide. Today, we're going to walk through the steps on how to block someone on WhatsApp without them knowing. This is a common need for many users, and thankfully, WhatsApp has an intuitive interface that makes the process easy and discreet.
What happens when you block someone on WhatsApp?
When you block someone on WhatsApp, they will not be notified about it. However, they may figure it out due to a few signs, such as they won't be able to see your last seen status, profile picture, or receive a reply to their messages. To make the process discreet, you'll want to tweak a few settings.
Preparing to block someone discreetly.
Before you block someone, you can do a couple of things to make the blocking less noticeable. Turn off your last seen status. Go to Settings, Account Privacy, Last Seen, and select Nobody. This way, the person you're about to block won't notice a change in your last seen status. Remove your profile picture for them. You can do this by going to Settings, Account Privacy, Profile Photo, and select Nobody. This ensures the person won't notice your profile photo disappearing after they're blocked.
Blocking the contact.
Now let's move to the actual blocking process. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat of the person you want to block. 2. Tap on their name at the top to open the contact info page. 3. Scroll down and tap on Block Contact. A pop-up will ask you to confirm your decision. 4. Tap on Block or Report and Block, depending on your preference. The contact is now blocked, and they will not be able to send you messages, calls, or see your status updates.
Reverting back to normal settings.
Once you've blocked the contact, you can revert your last seen and profile photo settings back to your usual preferences, as these changes will not be visible to the blocked contact. That's it. You've now learned how to block a contact on WhatsApp without them knowing. Remember, you can always unblock a contact if you change your mind in the future. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.